Now we will see average speed. Average speed of the object is that constant speed with which the object covers the same distance in a given time as it does while moving with variable speed during the given time. That means average speed is what speed? The speed by which the object covers the same distance as it cover in a variable speed. So that speed is called average speed. It can be calculated by finding the ratio of the total distance travel by the total time taken. That is, average speed is equal to total distance travel by total time taken here. Okay. So we will see two types of average speed, means in two cases the average speed we will see. First case, here we are watching that if the object travel unequal distance in equal time interval. You can see, for example, S1, S2, S3 up till Sn distance travel by object with the velocity v1, v2, v3 till vn respectively, but the time taken for each distance is t. That is, for S1 distance is t, for S2 distance is t, for S3 distance is t. Likewise, okay. So in such case, what would be the average speed? According to the definition as we have watched here, average speed is equal to total distance upon total time taken. So V average is equal to total distance, that means S1 plus S2 plus dash 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 plus Sn upon t plus how many times? It is n times. But we know that the distance, that is S1 equal to speed into time, means v1t, S2 we can write as v2t, and Sn we can write as vnt. So we replace this value here. You will find V average is equal to v1t plus v2t plus dash 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 vnt upon nt. So V average is equal to v1 plus v2 and dash 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 plus vn. T we have taken here common, and here t is n times, so it will become nt. T would be cancelled, so the formula will come here, that is equal to V average equal to v1 plus v2 plus dash 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 plus vn upon n. Now we will see second case, when particle travels equal distance in unequal time interval. Equal distance in unequal time interval, that means we can see here the time taken for the particle to travel s distance, each s distance, that is t1, t2 dash 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 tn with velocity v1, v2 dash 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 vn. Okay. Then according to the formula, V average or average velocity, average speed, not velocity, average speed is equal to total distance travel upon total time taken here. So average speed is equal to s plus s, how many times it is? N times, divided by t1 plus t2 till tn here. But we can write t1 as s upon v1, t2 as s upon v2, and so on, tn as s upon vn. Okay. So what we can see here, that V average, that means average speed, is equal to total distance travel. S we have taken n times, so it will become ns, and in place of t1 t2 we will write s upon v1 plus s upon v2 and so on plus s upon vn. So the average speed is equal to ns. Here in the denominator, if we'll take s common, it will become 1 upon v1 plus 1 upon v2 plus dash 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 plus 1 upon vn. Now V average is equal to n upon 1 upon v1 plus 1 upon v2 plus dash 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 plus 1 upon vn. This will be the formula for average speed in case if a particle travels equal distance in unequal time interval. We can summarize this equation for the two different particles which is traveling with two different speeds in two different time, that is, so n will become 2 here. If we'll place n is equal to 2, then this is 1 upon v1 plus 1 upon v2. We'll take LCM here, v1 v2, and so this become v1 plus v2. This will be reciprocal, so average speed will become 2v1 v2 upon v1 plus v2. Similarly, we can take for three particles also traveling with the speed v1 v2 v3. The average speed will become 3v1 v2 v3 upon v1 v2 plus v2 v3 plus v3 v1. Two questions here based on average velocity when particles travel unequal distance in equal interval of time, and one particle travels equal distance in unequal interval of time. So first case we will see here. Question given: a man walks for 1 minute at a speed 1 meter per second and then runs for 1 minute at a speed 3 meter per second along a straight track. What is average speed of the man? If you watch here, you can see that the time given, the two time given here is same, that is 1 minute and 1 minute here. But the speed given here, that is for first minute is given 1 meter per second and for second minute it is given 3 meter per second. So this is the case in which you can say unequal distance travel in equal interval of time. So we will apply formula here, that is average speed is equal to v1 plus v2 dash 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 plus vn upon n. We find that v1 is 1 here, v2 is 3 and n equal to 2. So it will become 1 plus 3 upon 2, that is 4 upon 2 or equal to 2 meter per second. So this is the shortest way you can say to calculate the average speed, but you can calculate the average speed in this way also, like average speed is equal to total distance travel upon total time taken. So you can write here s1 plus s2 upon t1 plus t2, but s1 is v1 t1 and s2 is v2 t2. So we will write v1 as 1, t1 is 60. Actually it is 1 minute, so we have changed this into second, 60 second. v2 is 3 and t2 is once again 60 second. Okay, t1 is 60 second, t2 is 60 second. If you calculate it, it will come 240 upon 120 and that is also equal to 2 meter per second. So you can calculate by this method or this method, the result will be same. Okay, next we will see question 2. A car travels the first third of a distance x at a speed of 10 km per hour and the second third at a speed of 20 km per hour and the last third at a speed of 60 km per hour. Determine the average speed of the car. Since this question is given, this is the type of equal distance travel in an unequal interval of time. So simply we can apply the formula here, that is V average or average speed is equal to 3 v1 v2 v3 upon v1 v2 plus v2 v3 plus v3 v1. So just put the value here. V average equal to 3, v1 is given 10, v2 is given 20 and v3 is given 60 and all these are in kilometer per hour. So we are putting the value here, calculating it. When we are calculating it, it will become what? It will come 18 km per hour. Another way of solving the question, the simple way, like average speed is equal to total distance traveled by total time taken. So total distance, if you already it is said you x, so it is x here. Total time taken is t1 plus t2 plus t3, so this is x, but t1 time taken for the one third distance, one third of total distance, so one third of total distance, that means x upon 3, and velocity is here 10, so t1 we can write as distance, that means s upon v1. T1 we have written as s upon v1, t2 we have written as s upon v2, and t3 we have written as s upon v3. So when we put this value and will simplify it, you can see that this is x upon 3 we have taken common, 1 upon 10 plus 1 upon 20 plus 1 upon 60. If you solve it, it will also come 18 kilometer per hour. So you can solve either by this method or by this method. Both the method are correct and the answer will be same.